So the Fortnite servers are offline right now, and today in this video I'll be laying out all the maintenance schedule, when they will be going to fix the servers, when the servers will be back up and running. So without further ado, let's jump right into all the details. Alright guys, so let's discuss what's really going on with the Fortnite servers. And the Fortnite servers are currently offline. All the things are under maintenance, so pretty much the game is not working as of right now for all the platforms. Well, here you can see guys, the version 27.00 downtime begins on 3 a.m. Eastern time, and matchmaking will be disabled shortly beforehand. So first of all, let me show you right over here onto the down detector. Here you can see there are some outage reports, 394 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video now, and I'll be also showing you the exact maintenance schedule because their Fortnite server status has provided the latest update when the servers will be back up and running. So let's get right into it. Alright guys, so here you can see onto the Twitter, Fortnite servers are not up. Fortnite servers down. Fix your servers. Fortnite servers up anytime before 9 ET confirmed. Fortnite servers still down. Fortnite servers are down. So you see guys, how many people are reporting that Fortnite servers are not working as of right now. Definitely it's not a wonder. Fortnite servers are not working as of right now. Is this same kind of issue are you facing right now? So guys, without further ado, let me show you all the latest update. So let me take frustration out of your head. When the servers will be back up and running, let's get right into it. Alright, so we have confirmed that Fortnite servers are not working. And yeah, Fortnite server status is showing us some kind of latest details. So let me show you what's really going on. Alright guys, so the Fortnite servers, Fortnite OG has begun matchmaking is now disabled as per the version 27.00 update. So this is their latest update. And what's new stuff dropping into the Fortnite? Well, here you can see guys, the version 27.00 downtime begins on 3 a.m. Eastern time, and matchmaking will be disabled shortly beforehand. So this is the update that they are talking about, and it's right now it's going on 3rd of the November. So guys, currently the matchmaking is disabled as they are launching this new update. So what's the latest update from the Fortnite status? Let me show you guys. Alright, so they have just tweeted out that the matchmaking will be disabled, and they have pre-notified us that the version 27.00 update file size will be larger than usual on some of the platforms. That means huge changes will be coming to the Fortnite. So what's the latest update, when they will be going to fix it? Let me show you all the details. Alright, so right over here I have got the status.epicgames.com, the Fortnite server status, and here you can see guys, all the things are under maintenance. So pretty much the game is not working as of right now for all the platforms. I don't have to tell you. Now here's the thing, what's the update regarding the downtime and all that, the matchmaking? Well, currently the update is in progress. The downtime for the version 27.00 Fortnite OG has begun, and now matchmaking is disabled as of 3rd of the November 7 UTC. So the matchmaking has stopped. Now talking about the scheduled maintenance, yeah, they will be going to undergoing the scheduled maintenance during this time, and the maintenance will be from 3rd of the November 22 to November 4th 2023 3 UTC. Oh my goodness guys, the maintenance will be so much longer. So you can just expect how many people are complaining about the maintenance and all that, and the game will be offline for a very long duration. So guys, this is kind of an unfortunate scenario for the Fortnite, but in the end you'll be getting tons and tons of updates. Yeah, that's true. So guys, that's the latest update regarding the Fortnite status. If there is a latest change into the maintenance schedule, I'll keep you posted. So make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.